BlackRock wants to buy XRP, and if they do, the price could go through the roof. BlackRock is the world's biggest financial powerhouse with more than $20 trillion in assets under control. It's not just another investor. When a business this big does something, the markets don't just react, they blow up. For months, there has been rising rumors that BlackRock is quietly buying XRP in preparation for a big change in the way money works. There could be a supply shock if this turns out to be true, and the price of XRP could go through the roof thanks to demand from big buyers. Could this make XRP go over $2,953? Things are leading to something big, and it might be too late for most people by the time they figure it out. BlackRock has always been interested in cryptocurrencies, but its focus on XRP is very strange and makes us wonder why. BlackRock is a major player in the world's financial system because it is the biggest asset manager in the world, with power over $20 trillion. The company has become more involved with digital assets over the past year, starting with Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and now looking into how to get more involved in blockchain-based payments. What's unique about XRP? When compared to other coins, XRP is designed to be used for real money. Ripple's on-demand liquidity, ODLL, is already being used by banks and other institutions to send money quickly across borders. BlackRock should look at XRP if they want to buy a long-term digital asset that has real use. Now things start to get interesting. If BlackRock is really thinking about XRP, it might not just be an investment, it could be a huge rollout by institutions, which would make XRP a major player in the future. Of the question is whether BlackRock is already moving things around behind the scenes. People have been talking about the idea that BlackRock could buy XRP for $20 trillion, but where did this idea come from? It all began when financial analysts noticed that BlackRock was becoming more interested in digital assets and that it had ties to Ripple's growing financial network. Since BlackRock is in charge of handling institutional investments, it's not impossible that it's collecting XRP to use on a large scale. If BlackRock is buying XRP, it won't be just another investment. It will be a smart move to keep liquidity in check as the financial system moves toward blockchain technology. BlackRock has already had an effect on the rise of Bitcoin by approving ETFs. If the same thing happens with XRP, the rise will be even bigger than expected. Now, the most important question is whether BlackRock has already begun to secretly gather XRP. If that's the case, there could be a big supply shock that drives demand to levels that have never been seen before. By the time the public finds out about this, it may be too late for small investors to take advantage of the chance. If BlackRock is buying XRP, it could have a huge effect on its price. Adoption by institutions is one of the main things that makes crypto valuable, and when a big bank like BlackRock gets involved, it has an effect on the whole business. Quantity shock is one of the most important things to think about. Unlike Bitcoin, which has a limited quantity of 21 million coins, there are 100 billion XRP tokens, but a big chunk of them are locked up in escrow or owned by institutions. If BlackRock starts buying a lot of XRP, the amount that regular buyers can buy will go down, which will make the price go up. We already saw how assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum have become more valuable with the help of centralized banks. When big buyers come in, demand goes through the roof, and small investors rush in, sending prices soaring. If BlackRock puts a lot of money into XRP, the price could go through the roof, way above anything we've seen before. How high could it get? Could XRP really reach $2,953? That's the big question everyone has. That number might seem very high, but it's not impossible if formal adoption catches on. If BlackRock and other big banks add XRP to their systems, demand could go through the roof, sending the price through the roof. Let's break it down. XRP was made to handle daily deals worth trillions of dollars. If changes in demand for cash, ODL becomes the standard way to send money across borders, it's possible that XRP is moving huge amounts of money through banks, other financial firms, and even central banks. The price of XRP would then not just be based on guesswork, but on how useful it is in the real world. When big businesses started investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum, they grew by a huge amount. Price spikes of 3 or even 4 digits might not be impossible for XRP if it takes the same path and becomes widely used by banks. The most important thing is who gets in before the price goes through the roof, and who finds out what's going on too late. Uncertainty about regulations has been one of the biggest problems with XRP's price rise, but that is quickly changing. Ripple has already won big court cases against the SEC, and as rules become clearer, banks, payment companies, and institutions like BlackRock will feel safer using XRP on a large scale. Financial institutions have to follow strict rules, and they won't fully commit to an asset until they know how the law works. This is why BlackRock's possible interest in XRP is so important. It shows that big investors think there is a way for XRP to become widely used. At the same time, Ripple's technology is already being used in banking systems all over the world. New payments built on blockchain are being used in Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. XRP is at the center of this change. If the US does the same thing and sets clear rules, it could start a big buying spree like we've never seen before. As regulations loosen up, everything is coming together, and XRP's price might rise before small buyers can catch up. This could be a turning point for people who own XRP. Ripple's growing global partnerships, BlackRock's rising interest, and clearer rules all point to the same thing. Mass adoption is getting closer all the time. Many buyers are still waiting to see what happens, but behind the scenes, the big banks are already making moves. If BlackRock and other companies formally commit to financial systems powered by XRP, the crypto market could change in a way that has never been seen before. Prices won't just go up slowly, they could skyrocket overnight. Some people will be very successful because they saw the bigger picture before everyone else did.